Good morning, student. Yesterday we have discussed the question number first of exercise 10C. Today we will discuss the question number second of this exercise. The question number first is first part of second. X is less than 2, and you have to find the value of x, which is x belongs to W. As you know, W is the set of a whole number. W is the set of a whole number. Similarly, N is the set of natural number. Similarly, Z. Okay, this is Z. Z is the set of integer. So your first question is x is less than 2. So this one you have to represent the values of x on a number line. So make the number line. Okay. As x is a whole number, so it start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to 0. Okay. So we have to find the value of x which is less than 2, which is less than 2. It means there are only two values, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Mark the number line like this. Okay. Dark dot bana this. 0 and 1 are the possible values for this. Okay. And you can write also like this: x belongs to 0 and 1 only. And when you represent the number line, it will look like this. Okay. Similarly, second question, here you have to find the values which is less than and equal to 5, and x is a natural number. As you know, natural number start with 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinity. So here possible values of x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, because x is less or equal. X is equal. So represented on number line. Number line, okay. So natural number start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So 1 dark here dot, okay. These are the possible values of x when x is less equal to 5 and x belongs to natural. Okay. There is no need to represent the negative number line here. Okay, because we need only natural number here. Okay. Similarly, whole number here. Okay, there is no need to represent negative number line here. Okay. Now third question is minus 2. X is greater or equal minus 2 and less equal to when x belongs to z. Z is the set of integers. Okay. So possible values of x here. Possible values of x here. As x is less equal, it means minus 2 will be included. Minus 2. Minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the possible values for these inequalities. Okay. So represented in number line. Okay. So as z is an integer, so you need to represent some negative numbers also. 0, -1, and so on. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinity. Okay. See, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So these are the solutions of question number second. Remaining part of this question number 2 you can do yourself. Okay. Okay. So now we will do the question number third, which is first part of third, x by 3 is greater or equal to 2. We have to find the possible values of x for this given inequality is true. And x is bounded by this set x such that x belongs to z. As you know, z is a integer, z is a set of integer. Minus 10, x is greater equal minus 10 and less equal 10. So you have to find all the possible values of x between this. Okay, between this. So x by 3 is greater equal to, okay, as you multiply by 3 both sides, so x by 3 multiply by 3 is greater equal to multiply by 3. See, if we multiply both sides in equalities, then there is no change in sign. It will remain same. Okay. So now 3 cancels by 3. So here x is greater than 2 3 are 6. So you have to find the possible values of x from this set which satisfy this given inequalities. Okay. So x is greater than 6. So possible values of x here x. So here x belongs to 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So represented on number line, on a number line. Okay. So okay, here 0 will come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Here negative number. Here will be negative number minus 2 like minus 3 up to minus 10. Okay. So here 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7, 8, 9 and 10. थोड़ा सा डार्क कर दीजिए like this. Okay, so these are the representation on number line and the possible values of x are 7, 8, 9, 10 for this given inequalities. Similarly here if you multiply by 4 both sides, sign will be change. Multiply by 4 both sides. Okay, so 4 से cancel हो जाएगा, x is less equal minus 8, x is less equal minus, x is less than minus 8, no sorry not equal, x is less than minus 8. So possible values of x, so here x belongs to minus 10, minus 9 and minus 8. When you represent it on a number line, बेटा मैं पूरी नंबर लाइन नहीं बना रहा हूँ, ठीक है, जितना जरूरत है उतना ही बना रहा हूँ, लेकिन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ फुल नंबर लाइन. Suppose 0 will be here and minus 8, minus 9 and minus इसमें -8 -9 -10 आपको इधर -1 -2 -3 भी बनाना है और इधर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 टिल 10। ओके, जगह कम है इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा स्किप कर दिया सब चीजें। -8 -9 -10। ओके, so these are the possible values of x for which the given inequality is true, will be true. Okay, so your third question is, see again, if you multiply 5 both sides, okay, -x divided by 5 and multiply by 5 is greater or equal to multiply by 5. Now -5 will be cancel, so minus x is greater or equal to 10. Minus x is greater or equal to 10. See, now this is the important part. If you multiply negative sign from both on the both side, okay, then sign will be changed. ठीक, sign will be changed. See, देखिए जब मैं यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा दोनों नेगेटिव साइन से, तो यहाँ जो साइन होता है, ये जो साइन है ले अभी ग्रेटर इक्वल, बाद में फिर लेस इक्वल हो जाएगा। कैसे, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देखते हैं हम यहाँ पे। जैसे कि मैंने अभी लिखा -2 is greater than -5। सपोज मैं अभी आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ। सपोज -2 is greater than -5। now we multiply negative sign, so negative sign will be positive, again it will be positive। okay, if you put the same sign here, if you put the same sign here, देखो यहाँ भी ग्रेटर लगा, यहाँ भी आपने ग्रेटर लगा दिया, तो देखो ये बात क्या सही है? 2 is greater than 5, it is wrong। the right is 2 is less than 5। okay, so whenever negative sign will be here, so आप नेगेटिव साइन से जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो साइन को पलट दोगे, अगर ग्रेटर देन होगा तो लेसन कर दोगे और लेसन होगा तो ग्रेटर कर दोगे। ओके, सो नाउ आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू। नाउ बैक टू आवर क्वेश्चन। सो नेगेटिव साइन विल बी हियर, नेगेटिव साइन इज हियर, सो x इज लेस इक्वल -10, x is less equal -10, less than, x is less than -10। so see possible values of x from this set, there is no value of x which is less than 10। so here x belongs to 5, nothing, here x belongs to 5। okay, बट x की नेगेटिव 10 से छोटी कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि x को यहाँ पर काउंट कर दिया गया है, -10 से बड़ा होना चाहिए और 10 से छोटा होना चाहिए। लेकिन इस इनइक्वालिटी में आपको क्या पता चल रहा है कि जो x की जो वैल्यूज है आपको लेनी है वो -10 से नीचे की लेनी है सारी, बिकॉज़ x इज लेस देन -10। ओके, सो देयर इज नो वैल्यू फॉर दिस इनइक्वालिटी। Okay, so question number 4. Now x plus 3 is less than 7. X plus 3 is less than 7. See, 3 is here. You have to remove 3 from here. Okay, so just subtract 3 from both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides. So 3 minus 3 will be 0. And x 4 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, so x is less than 4। so possible values of x belongs to the set is -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3 and -2, -1, 0 is also here, 1 2 3। okay, so these are the possible values of x for which this given inequality is true। okay, and similarly you can present a number line, okay, like this। just draw a number line and make a dark circle on the particular number which is belongs to x. Okay. So we will do remaining questions tomorrow. Okay. Try to solve it by the examples, by these questions, remaining questions. Okay. Try to solve remaining questions by these expression of questions. Okay.